Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to find follow request on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to find follow request on Thread app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to find follow request on Thread app. So today I am going to show you how to find follow request on Thread app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding follow request on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will find follow request on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen here is my followers. But there is no follow request in this page. And then click on heart icon in the bottom of this page, and now you can confirm or hide this request. So there you go. If you were wondering how to find follow request on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.